Well, I think the house looks quite a ways away, but it's really not all that far. It's really interesting watching the clouds go across above it. The wide load pickup has gone on ahead now. So once they get past the wire, then they can move pretty fast. So it's not going to be as slow as I thought it was going to be, which I'm thankful. That's Myron and Alice Munn's house, where that silver pickup and the red trailer are.